Hello friends, welcome to Carolina's Cottage. This is Johnny and today I have a really quick, easy, and inexpensive cottage style makeover for you. I thrifted these 5 framed mirrors and I'm repurposing them as cottage style art. These were originally from Ikea. I paid $4.99 for the set of 5 at Goodwill. I'm starting by painting each one with 2 coats of Rust-Oleum chalk style paint in the color blush pink. I'll be painting the mirrored part as well and applying decoupaged art to each one. I also found these 2 small mirrors and I'll be painting and applying decoupage to these as well. I'll use Paint Couture's Gold Mine paint to the frame and Rust-Oleum chiffon cream to the center of these. These will need 2 coats. And I had to get my heat gun out to try and dry these more quickly. This is the first painting I've done in a couple of months, so I felt really impatient to get to the decorating part of this project. I'm painting the trim using the edge of the frame as a guide, but you may find that you need to measure and mark lines for your trim. Do whatever works best for you. On some of these, I'm painting only the center section and not applying trim to the edges of the frame. Everything that I'm using today is something that I found on a website for a free printable or on Pinterest. On Pinterest, just search for the things that you like. Some of these were using search words for cottage roses or shabby roses, and some were for Easter prints or free printables for Easter. I steered away from printing anything that linked to Etsy or other commercial websites. I do want to let you know about one blog where you can find some really cute free printables. It's called lovemepapers.com, and I'll put that in the description below. She does also have some scrapbooking or journal papers and ephemera and different things that are really pretty. A lot of it is shabby chic or French country, English country, cottage style printables, but she has several things that you can, you just send your email and you'll get a link through email to download those free printables. And again, I'll put that in the description below. I'm using a clear top coat to decoupage these paper printouts. I wanted a flat finish and my decoupage medium is a satin finish. I find that top coat works just as well as decoupage medium. I'm also using cellophane to smooth these out so they don't have wrinkles in the paper. You could also use any clear wrap like saran wrap. This is just what I had on hand. For the small parts of the design that extend onto the frame, I'm cutting those away from the rest of the design and using an X-Acto knife to help with placement. And I'm applying the same top coat to the rest of the piece. And I will be showing some nice close-up pictures of each one of these at the end of the video. I'm trying out something here that I haven't done before. I've thought about using pinstriping tape to make a crisp border on pieces, so I'm seeing which of these might be helped by the addition of that. I bought white and gold pinstriping tape on Amazon. The white is too white, and the pieces that I've trimmed don't really need the pinstriping tape, so I'll settle on the one that just needed that touch to make it complete. It's really simple to apply. Just choose the amount needed for each side and use an X-Acto knife to miter the corners. I'm using a light touch until I've completed the cuts, and then I'll use a transfer tool to apply even pressure along the tape. In the process of removing the end piece after cutting the corner for the miter, I did damage the corner on this first one, so I'm just replacing that piece. Even though I've applied top coat, I'm sanding the edges to distress these, and I'll apply an additional coat of clear top coat. I don't usually distress my pieces, but these simple frames needed this to complete the look. I've made quite a mess of my work area, and here's a couple of tips for quick cleanup. I saw Myra from Fresh Farm Designs 59 using a silicone mat, so I ordered one from Amazon, and she also uses a nifty little desktop vacuum, so I found that on Amazon as well. I always wondered how she kept her work area so clean, and she divulged her secret one day. So I know most of you already watch her on Farm Fresh Designs 59, and she's also our IOD guru, so I'll put her associate link to IOD products and a link to her channel below. Myra helped me with my channel when I was really struggling last spring, so I love singing her praises. Myra is awesome. So on Amazon, just search for silicone crafting mat and desktop vacuum, and you'll find those. One little tip about these printouts. I find that darker colored ink tends to bleed into my decoupage medium when I'm applying it on top of the printouts. I use a clear spray top coat to prevent that. I do think I will add a third coat of this gold paint to these frames for a brighter tone. I didn't notice until I was looking at the photos of these that they really do need a third coat. I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave a comment below and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.